RDDT, stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1 minute video till the end to find out, because I'm giving you my arguments and my exact play with Reddit stock. So I'm actually looking for those buys. So let me explain how that means, how that looks like. To give even more context though, I'm using my strategy and system that's previously given me thousands of wins in 2023, and I'm telling you all of it because it is the truth and I've documented everything. So with Reddit, look at this way, so boom. I wanted to see the price tap inside my zone and then give me the rules so then I can take it higher. And if you don't know, I'm going to show you the previous video that I made on it so you have a better understanding. It was like 10th of May. I mean, it was the same exact idea, right? I want to see the price take out the $55.13 highs. The main way that I'm approaching it is if the price comes back down into my demand zone and then goes up. Now, the likelihood of that happening is slim, super slim. So, well, how would I do this? I mean, if it comes a little bit maybe inside here and then gives me the rules, which is a double break, then I'm still fine to take it hard. So all I can do is just wait, wait, because if my rules are not met, there's no way to buy, right? No way, because most of the time it's just going to be a loss, So just shooting myself in the foot in this case. So if you want to learn my strategy for free, check the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.